nyo, pero ibang-iba talaga ang feels natin today. I mean, it's really a whole new experience here on ASAP. Opening pa lang, may mga nakasama na tayong mga mahuhusay ng mga kapamilya.
That is true. Ang dami. First, we have to say congratulations kay Maki for his debut. After nila, namumula naman ang ganda, no? And of course, sa kanyang sold out 2-day concert. Grabe. For not done there, we also have gold medalists, of course, the Mega Q division of the Mega Q division, the World Hip Hop Dance Championship this year, the one and only UP.
Yes, salamat guys. Kasama din natin ang excellent na Beast House Gymnasts. Malaking po namin sila mga kapamilya.
Yes!
At syempre ito ang talagang viral TikTok sensation from Zamboanga na nagpauso ng Maybe This Time Dance Challenge. Let's go!
Ralph with no age. Kaya dito, Ralph. Ralph with no age. Ralph. Ayan, welcome to ASAP. Grabe, napaka-busy ni Ralph. Kahapon sa ibang entablado siya ng panood. Today naman dito sa ASAP. Thank you for sharing your fun movement. Ano naman ang masasabi mo lang sikat na talaga ang iyong mga dance steps?
Masaya po at natutuwa ako dahil madami po ako napasayang na ipapano sa ginawa kong video na nag-viral. Thank you po.
Rock, congratulations! Ikaw ba'y may manager na?
Actually, ito pala. Dahil sa Mega kwentong Maybe This Time Dance, paano mo gumawa mo ng maraming sayaw or may nagawa ka na ba?
Plano ko po gumamit po ng kanta ni Sir Ogie po.
Nagkaroon ng bulungan, Sir Omsa.
Sa backstage na siya. Anong kanta mo?
Just in case, ano kasi kanta?
Madami po sa listahan, hindi po ako
Marami.
Sikat mo na. Ay, okay. At least may pa-happy.
Alam mo, piliin mo yung You Are My Soul.
Hindi naman ako. Akin yan. Sa kanya.
Ano na, yung Kipali na lang.
Kipali na lang. Kipali na lang.
Pero alam nyo, siguradong proud na proud ang nanay mo. Si Mother nakakopen.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back when.
Mother, nakaka-proud sa iyong anak. Proud talaga ako.
Nakakatuwa naman ang mga pangyayari, di ba? Pero mas nakakatawa kung ang lahat ay gagawin ng Maybe This Time Dance Challenge! Hindi ba guys? Wala mo naman. Ayan guys! Ganyan natin. ASAP!
Powerhouse Cast. Thank you, Ogie Regine, for that beautiful song. Mga kapamilya kapatid ka A to Z, please welcome the All-Star Cast. And when I say All-Star, All-Star Cast of Lavender Fields. Together with, of course, Albert's not here, but he's part of this production. Albert Martinez, Jolina Magdanal, Lok Beleon, and the Diamond of all diamonds, Maricel Soriano.
Oh boy! Kasama ang napakalik teleserye, ang Asian Drama King, Jericho Rosales. At ang Asian Academy Awards Best Actress, Lavender Fields herself, Jodie Santa Maria. Listen to that. First question. Dito ako kay Echo. Good seeing you again, my friend. Ito ang tanong namin sa inyo. Ano yung pakiramdam mo na after 5 long years, at iba na naman, balik sa isa kapamilya teleserye?
Pwede na bang umiti?
Okay lang.
I-character na kami. I'm really happy. Sobrang saya bumalik kasama itong pampihirang cast na doon with a great project. Sobrang init ng pagtanggap niyo sa aming lahat.
we're just really happy. Yeah, super happy. Yes.
Well, some things you need to wait.
Yeah.
Great things take time.
Yeah.
And that's why you joined this production to help make it great as we all do a Dreamscape in ABS-CBN Productions. We are so looking forward to this. They've already seen 2 episodes on Netflix. You get to see it tomorrow, am I right? Is it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Starting tomorrow. Jody, I have a question for you. Of all the many things that you've done, all the great things that we remember you doing, how proud are you of this production, this project?
I'm super proud of this project because of its storyline, the character development, and also the action scenes. So that's something na kailangan ko talagang abangan. And I just feel so blessed to be working alongside, a stellar cast.
I'm sure all of you want to know the invite coming from the amazing actors that we have here. Lot.
Yes, I'm Mary. Good afternoon, everyone. Mga kapamilya, magsisimula na ang powerhouse drama of 2024. ABS-CBN Studios, ang isang Dreamscape Entertainment Production.
Mga kapamilya, ito po ang grande pagsasama-sama ng mga veteran, mga batikan artista, and finest actors of this generation sa pangunguna ng Asian Academy Creative Awards 2022 Best Actress Jody Santa Maria, at syempre pagbabalik telebisyon ng Asian Drama King Jericho Rosales.
So diba, Asian Drama King na lang? Kasama rin po namin dito si Sunflower. Nasa Venice po siya ngayon. Si Miss Janine Gutierrez, hinahanap niya po yung freaking box. Of course, kasama namin si Sir Edu Manzano.
Wow.
Amazing! Of course, Albert Martinez. Handa ka na bang magsuot ng maskara para takpan ang katotohanan at mabawi ang lahat ng nawala sa'yo?
Kaibigan, Lavender Fields, directed by Emmanuel Quintopalo at George Wasabi. Makapanood na po simula bukas pagkatapos ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo, 8:45 sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, A to Z at TV5. At syempre po, watch it 72 hours in advance on Netflix at 48 hours in advance on iWant TXT.
Yes! Thank you everyone visiting us here. Wait, sandali lang. Drama to, di ba? Drama ba to? This, as you can see, Eric Nicolas is their secret weapon. So, abangan! Thanks everyone! This is the cast of Lavender Fields. Let's hear it! Another surefire hit. Up next, we have someone very special to perform on this stage. She's been talked about everywhere, in a good way of course. And now she's here on ASA.
Actually, maraming nakakakilala sa kanya as the supportive girlfriend of our golden boy, Carlos Yulo. But now, it's her time to shine like gold. Let's watch this.
Sa pagpapakilala ng Joseph, sana all na lang talaga tayo.
Yung palagi mo ako kasama ni Regine.
Okay, did you guys enjoy that? We enjoyed giving that to you. Maraming salamat.
Okay po, set up tayo, take back. Pantahan na tayo.
Nag-enjoy kayo? Meron pang a couple of performances pa mamaya. So huwag kayong kumain, huwag kayong matulog, kasi ganun yun. Kailangan pumapasok kayo sa studio kung kayo. Para pagdating nyo sa TV, ang papayat mo. Magandang diet ang asap, di ba? Hindi kayo pinapakain. Tapos yung tawang-tawa ko na sa fact na hindi sila pinapakain, na hindi namin kayo pinapakain, ang tawag dyan ay, uy, ang payat mo! What's your diet? Asak lang. ASAP dahil. Bakit ASAP dahil? Hindi kami pinapalakpakan.
Okay, so ito last part.
May bisita po tayo galing PGH. Taga-PGH po. Si Doc Martin.
Gymnatology.
Gymnatology.
Ito ba galing yung sapatos na Doc Martin?
Tawag-tawag ka dyan. Sa atang
Chloe San Jose! Hello, Chloe!
Grabe, ang galing mo! Sobrang natural yung pag-ibutera mo, kabugera ka.
That is true.
Yes, oo.
Before anything else, bumati ka muna sa lahat na nakatutok sa amin ngayon. From the I Want ASAP stage, years back now to the ASAP main stage. We're so happy to have you as well.
Finally, no? Kamusta naman yung first ever performance mo sa ASAP stage?
Kinakabahan mo. Kinakabahan ba yun?
Everyone was applauding you.
Grabe yung confident mo, Beck. Ang galing, oh, grabe, bye.
Pag ano?
Oo nga, kami nagulat kami. Oh, ba? Paano ba siya kanina ko?
Baka susunod,
Siya naman.
kung gusto ni Chloe magkaroon ng collab between Chloe
Yes.
and Maymay.
I think we want that. Do we want a performance from Chloe and Maymay dito sa ASAP stage? I think we all want that. Pero speaking about what's next, Chloe, we want to ask as well, ano ba yung next chapter of your life? What's next for Chloe San Jose?
Oh no, I don't know, Kuya Edward. I'm just so excited and happy to be here. Oh, let's see what the future holds.
Oh, but just in case, given a chance, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari? You can manifest it.
Nagkalab mo kay Ate Maymay.
Oh, yan. Hindi
Ito!
talaga mangyari, no? Well,
Sabi ko,
our doors are always open for you. You would love to?
Yes, of course po. At gusto ko pa siya makita sa mga marami pang performances dito sa ASAP natin to.
That's right.
We would love that. We would love to say thank you once again para po natin Chloe. Kasi maraming salamat.
That's right.
For being here on ASAP. At susunod na, isa pang Woman on Fire ang may inihandang performance for us because ASAP's Queen of the Dance Floor, Kim Chiu, will be right here.
Very soon. We're so excited.
Yes, but ito pa po, di lang pang Gen Z, isama po ng Millennials, Gen X, at lahat ng generations ang isa sa OG heartthrobs ng ASAP, may hinanda po for